Number 1. Cooking. Cooking is an excellent activity to keep yourself busy and forget about your psychological problems. Putting all your effort into creating a delicious plate is a creative way to spend your time doing things that elevate your mood. It would be false, however, not to mention that cooking is a great way to spend time with your friends, as you can invite them to your home in order to taste your recipes and keep you company. In that way, you can have a good time with those you love, which is very essential especially when you deal with psychological disorders. Last but not least, cooking will expand your tasting horizons, as you can experiment with different ingredients and recipes from all over the world that will blow your mind, and ultimately, your cooking creations can help you find a passion to free your mind and deal with depression. Number 2. Arts and crafts. Arts and crafts is another great way to improve your creativity skills and make you put depression aside. In particular, activities like knitting or making paper crafts will make you focus on details and require great concentration so as to carry them out, leaving little room for unhappy thoughts to take over your mind. You can also try painting. Drawing something you love is the best way to express your thoughts and your problems. Moreover, it can be a potential solution to eliminate depression. Painting gives you the chance to draw whatever you prefer. In that way, you can fight depression by drawing images of joy that make you happy and ultimately change your mood and the way you think. Number 3. Challenge yourself in a game. In particular, both video and board games can help you stimulate your mind and focus on finding a solution to a problem. From choosing the right piece to connect a puzzle, to score a goal on a soccer video game. These activities require concentration, and in that way they make you forget about your problems, including psychological ones. Moreover, it is a great way to spend time with your friends or family, especially during your hard times, when you need them most, because being in a good psychological condition is extremely important when you fight with mental illnesses like depression. Number 4. Take a bathtub. Immerse yourself in water full of bubbles and then lay back on the tub, close your eyes and simply enjoy this moment of relaxation. Bathtubs can be very beneficial to your well-being, as they relax your muscles and your mind, and they are among the simplest forms of self-care. Actually, if you take a bathtub every night before you go to bed, you will notice that you are going to have a way better and peaceful sleep, and better sleep equals better mood and ultimately better life. So, the only thing you have to do after a busy day full of work, is to fill up the tub with water and soap, and just immerse yourself in this magic. Number 5. Running outdoors. A green activity that incorporates 2 depression-resistant aspects: physical activity and nature. In particular, these 2 important aspects can help you eliminate depression due to the fact that the combination of fresh air and workout produces endorphins, which are hormones responsible for stress reduction and detoxification. Regular exercise prevents the development of depression, according to a study which was published in an American journal related to psychiatry and included 34,000 adults who were followed for more than a decade. Number 6. Reading. There's nothing better than getting lost in a mystery book where you search for potential solutions to solve the mystery. In particular, reading outdoors and especially in a park can be an amazing moment. Listening to the birds chirp and the leaf rustle will elevate your experience. It will help you relax and focus on reading your book, and ultimately it will allow yourself to think positive and throw away any negative thoughts. It is also a nice chance to go outside and change scenery, which will also lighten up your mood, especially when the weather is good. So, reading a book in a park expands your cultural and spiritual horizons. It can stir emotions of happiness and throw depression away. Number 7. Yoga. Yoga can be the drug leading to your happiness. Imagine being all alone on an empty beach, listening to the gentle splash of the waves and the seagull squawk. This moment is all you need. A yoga session all by yourself. Yoga has many therapeutic effects on your body, because it allows you to recharge and forget everything. It is a very essential moment which offers you not only physical, but also mental benefits. Research has shown that a 15-minute yoga session every day can soothe the pain and help you find the true you and connect with the natural environment, which is the most essential benefit when it comes to beating depression. For an extra boost to your well-being, you can check out my previous videos right here.